We're going to make up some meatballs today, and the glaze we'll make today is going to make these meatballs so special. It's a bourbon cranberry glaze. Let's get started. 1 pound, 80/20 ground beef. Instead of breadcrumbs, I'm going to use this pork rind crumbs. This keeps it keto. We got a 1/2 cup. There's our pork rind. Now I've got a 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese. I've got about 1/2 cup chopped onion. Now here I've got this amazing Cajun. I like a little spice. I got a 1.5 teaspoons of that. I've got a teaspoon of minced garlic. You can substitute this with a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. 1 egg. And then lastly, here I've got a tablespoon each of Dijon mustard and Duke's mayonnaise. And we got this all mixed up. Time to make some meatballs. All right, just make them about the size you want, whatever size that is. And what I've got over here, to my left, your right, I've got a wire rack. That'll just help things from not stick to the grill. This wire rack just sitting on a baking tray. I did spray it a little bit with, that Pam equivalent of olive oil. Got our last one here. So we got 4 rows, 4 down, 16 meatballs. And we're going to let these meatballs sit here and go get our grill ready. I got a piece of hickory we're going to put in here right on the fire. Put my plate setter in so we can cook indirect and get some smoke. And then grill grate goes in and we'll let it finish coming up to temp. Now our grill is up to temp. You can see we got a nice smoke going there. And then my cook temperature today, I'm going to cook between 225 and 250. You can see we're using that Chef's Temp S1 to monitor the grill temp. Let's get our lid up. Now that sheet pan's not going to fit in there, but I think what we can do is just leave this rack about like that and then shut our grill lid back down on it. And now let's make this bourbon glaze. I've got 1 cup of sugar-free cranberry juice here. Now I've got Hidden Barn Kentucky bourbon. This comes from Sparta, Kentucky. We'll start with about 1/3 of a cup. Pour this bourbon in the pan and be careful because the pan is hot. 1/2 cup of sugar-free ketchup. 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. About 1.5 or 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, teaspoon of dried garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and about a 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Here I've got Truvia for a sweetener. It's keto friendly. If you're not eating keto, you can substitute 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of the Truvia. I'm just going to mix all these ingredients in together for this sauce. I've got my burner on medium heat. We'll bring this up to a simmer, as you might imagine, and thicken this sauce up. Yeah, just tasted that sauce. We're going to add just a little bit more bourbon. We'll keep simmering until it thickens up a bit. The cook time has been about 55 minutes. It's time to get these meatballs barbecue sauced up. Our meatballs have got some awesome color. I'm sure they're almost done. We're going to work them over to this barbecue sauce we made. Now I'm just going to get these meatballs dipped in this bourbon cranberry sauce. Just take this brush and make sure each meatball gets covered really well with all this sauce. Now here I've got a clean rack on the grill. And again, to prevent from any sticking, I'm just going to spray it with some olive oil. We'll get each of these meatballs back on our grill and get the lid down. Now we'll leave these meatballs on there for maybe 5 more minutes. We just want that barbecue sauce to set on those meatballs. Just look at the color, bourbon and cranberry meatballs. Here we go. Okay, that mayo and those pork rinds kept our meatballs together, right? If you're not eating keto, you can use panko or whatever you want. And then that cranberry bourbon barbecue sauce, I'm going to be making that again. I'm going to make it for chicken. I'm going to make it for pork. It's out of this world. Hey, if you like this video, I've got 2 more recipes right down below.